Where did Steve Jobs visit before founding Apple? How did his life change? In 1974, Steve Jobs traveled to India in search of enlightenment. He spent approximately 7 months on a spiritual journey. However, his unsuccessful quest eventually led him to the concept of prajna, or transcendent wisdom. This is about trusting your instincts rather than relying solely on pure logic. Upon returning from this journey, he remarked, "The people in the rural villages of India didn't use their intellect the way we do. They relied on something more powerful than intellect, their intuition." This became the approach he embraced, making decisions based on intuition. Even when these decisions went against market trends, he trusted his inner compass. Another thing that caught his attention while living among Indian villagers was their ability to find joy in simplicity. No flashy gadgets, no excess, only the essentials. This way of life later became the foundation of Apple's philosophy. According to Steve Jobs, every feature, every detail, every pixel had to have its place. If something they created didn't serve a clear purpose, it was left out. This was the core of Apple's philosophy. No clutter, just focus and clarity. Steve Jobs believed that technology should serve people and not complicate their lives. Look at Apple's products. It wasn't just about looking beautiful. It was about making technology simple enough for anyone to use. This is what set Apple apart. While other companies added features to stand out, Steve Jobs did the opposite. He refined, simplified, and polished everything until only the essential elements remained. The impact came not from what was added, but from what was removed.